What did the Mexican name their bypass hose? How did the Canadian put out a fire in Mexico?
What the hell? What's wrong?
One of the warning lights came on.
Which one?
I don't know.
What does it look like?
It's a rectangle box with a squiggly line at the bottom with an arrow pointing down.
I have no idea what it is.
Me either, and look, the temperature gauge is at the red.
That's not good. Who can help us?
I know.
Who?
Let's call Ian.
That's a good idea. Yeah? Alright. Thanks, Ian. He was no help.
It's dead.
Holy shit! Yeah, the power steering cuts off. We're stranded.
That's not good.
Who can help us?
Let's ask Dad.
To find out what the warning light is, we can check our manual to see what it is. And it says if the light comes on, it means you're low in engine coolant. Why would you be low in engine coolant?
The leaks.
Yeah, there's a leak. There has to be a leak somewhere in order to lose your coolant. So next thing we have to do is check out to see where the leak is. Okay, so let's do that. That's not good.
Yeah.
Where is it coming from?
I don't know.
That's a lot.
I've done as much as we can.
Well, it looks wet over here. Looks wet right here. How about if we let's take off the cover. See where it's coming from. Okay, do you want to start it up and see where it's coming from? It has to be coming from this side. You guys see anything? Keep doing it. Good. Okay, we got it. You can turn it off. Well, that's an easy fix. Just got to replace this hose here. Then we're good. Wow, that really squirted.
It squirted on me.
It squirted on. Oh, jeez. Okay.
Slap a piece of duct tape on it.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to knock down this short stump. It's about 6 feet tall. You guys want to see if you guys can push it? Brendan, you try first, see what happens. Can you do it? No? Okay, you both tried. See if you knock it down. We can't knock it down. What else can we use to knock it down? You want to try the quad? Okay, let's go for it. To replace the bypass hose, we need a brand new hose. We need clamps to clamp the hose down. Then we need a 5/16 screwdriver socket. We need a pry bar, hair pliers, and an oil pan to catch the antifreeze. Gather all our tools. Okay, take the tools out. There's some more up there. What we need to do is take the oil pan, put it underneath, kind of guide it so where the hose is going to be. The hose is right here. So next thing we need to do is remove the plastic cover. You just wiggle it. There, see?
I thought this was supposed to come off.
No.
Okay.
Okay, so remove the cover. This is the bypass hose that we're going to replace.
Oh, it's pretty full.
We will use the pair of pliers. What we need to do, guys, is remove the clamp by clamping the two ends together. What it's going to happen is going to spread it right open and then wiggle it to the side. You might have to press a little bit harder. There you go. You almost got it. There you go. There's one. Okay, the other one is way over here, which we have to do the same thing.
That might be enough. I don't know.
Let me see. No, it has to be more. It should be move this all the way at least to here. Because what's happening right now, this thing is still on here, so it'll be very hard to remove the hose. Either way, we can take the top one or the bottom one off. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, just keep wiggling it till it comes off. Hold on, you just go slowly because now it may leak.
Ready?
Okay, you get the other hose ready. Oh. Okay, nothing came out. It's kind of surprising. Take the other end out. Yeah, use the pry bar. What you're going to do is pry it. Yeah, just keep prying it on, yeah. Not in the middle, but towards the side. There you go, like that. Yeah, it's been on there for a while with the heat and everything. It's pretty stuck on there really good. Yeah, you pull on it and then I'll give it a pry. Whoa! There we go. Okay, we'll remove the clamps. We have the new bypass hose. Matthew's going to put it in. So as you can see, there's a short end and a long end. No, we're using the brand new clips, the new clamps. Yeah. So let's put the clamps in first. Because if we put the hose in first, then with the clamp, is that going to work? No. So put the clamps in first. You can put on the, yeah, that one there. And this one I would put on the hose. Let's put on the bottom one first. And then what you have to do is kind of push it in. And then, yeah, wiggle it. Yeah, keep going. You're doing a good job. Is it almost at the end? There you go. See? It's right against the post. Now we have to do the top part. Keep pulling on it. Wiggle it in there. Keep going. You're almost there. Got it? There. Very good. Okay, just hold on here. Okay. Keep tying this.
Push it.
There you go. That looks pretty tight. That's good. Next thing we need to do is the other side. Okay, we're almost there. It's being secured, nice and tight. Okay, now that it is in place, both ends are secured, it's time to try it out to see if it leaks. As you can see, it is not squirting anymore. And this is how you replace a leaking bypass hose. Okay, try it again. Pretty solid. You want to try it with mine? Give it a try and see. Since mine has a metal bumper, because yours has plastic in the front, so don't want to hit it too hard, it does damage the plastic.
Maybe put the winch around it and pull.
Oh yeah, I can try that. That's a good idea. Here, grab the winch. Okay, Matthew, go!
Uh-oh, we have a huge leak. Wow, where's it coming from?
Say it again.
Wow, where's it coming from?
To catch the antifreeze once we take the bypass hose. And here is the bypass hose that we will use. Did you burp on that one?
Maybe.
Okay.
What do I say?
I have no idea what it is.
I have no idea what it is. I have no idea what it is. I have no idea what it is. I have no idea what it is. I have no idea what it is.
You don't know what it is?
No.